that good? Object. Bigla ang lakad ito guys. So pupunta tayo ng city. Papasyal natin si Anika and kayo din po. Ipapasyal din po namin kayo today. I don't know if we will be able to have time. Siguro makakadaan kami kina Karya or dun sa ibang friends ko. Pero pag hindi na talaga kaya ng oras, diretso na lang tayo uwi ng bahay din. Guys, ito na yung Fazer experience. This is the Willy Wonka factory, Daddy, in Finland. This is the yeah, but this is the chocolate factory here in Finland, guys. Yung famous na Finnish chocolate, which is yung Fazer. Napakasarap ng chocolate ng Fazer, guys, kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis. Malamig! Yeah, we're here! Nika, where are we? This is the Fazer! We are now entering Fazer. Ito na yung tickets namin, guys, or yung hand bracelet. Tatlo kami kasi we're gonna have the guided tour dito sa Fazer experience. Anika, let's put this on your hand. We're now waiting for our tour. 2:30 yung na-reserve sa amin. Actually guys, nagkamali pa ako ng booking. Yung na-book ko was for next week, next Saturday. Tapos meron akong trabaho by that time and meron din akong gala with my friends. So sabi ko kay Nico, hindi pwede ba nating tawagan tapos ipa-change. Tapos yun, na-change nila. Thank goodness na today kasi day off ko. Hindi naman ako pwede mag-absent para sa ganitong activity lang, guys. Kailangan talaga nakaplano. But thank goodness, they were so nice na na-change nila yung schedule and napasok kami today. Guys, ito yung favorite ni Anika na chocolate sa Fazer, Kismet. Anika, look! Can you see how many Kismet is there? Look! Wow! Nag-brighten up yung face niya kasi kita ng Kismet. Yan kasi yung favorite na chocolate niya. Meron silang tropical plant dito, guys. I know all of you know this one. This is the cacao tree. We have a lot of this in Philippines, Nico. When I was a kid, I used to play this kind of tree. Tapos sinusup-sup ko yung bunga niya, guys. Yeah. This is the ice cream container. Oh, this was used during 1940s to 1990s. Salt ice. Ah, yeah, it's same like in my country. We have this dirty ice cream and we add salt on it so the ice will stay there for a longer period of time. It doesn't melt. Yung different kinds of packaging nila. Kismet, Eri, Voici, Kyme, Nina. Kismet in different decades. Ang dami pala nilang ano. They have a lot of like variations of Kismet. Amazing. This is Anika's favorite chocolate. Maghihintay lang kami, guys. What time is it now? Is it almost 2:30?
Nearly 10 minutes.
10 minutes more. So, we are waiting here for 10 minutes. Tapos, pupunta na tayo dun sa loob. Excited? How to show you? It's like excited face. Show me. That's your excited face? What's your excited face look like? You don't wanna show? No. Ito yung kanilang coffee shop dito, guys. But hindi mo na kami magkakape. Mamaya na lang siguro. When you come to Finland, guys, this is one of the place na dapat nyong bisitahin dito. Datingan na rin yung mga tao, guys. Marami-rami na rin. So, sa group tour namin, there were 30 people. And we were so blessed and lucky na nasingit nila kami. And nasali kami sa araw na to rather than next week. Kasi hindi na namin mahintay yung next week. Meron kaming blue. Sinesettanepan. So, all the blue, lahat na merong blue daw na bracelets, dito na side. Punta tayo dito. So, follow them. Meron kaming blue! What is this? It's a kasa? Yeah, it's a cashier machine. This is the ice cream container. So yan na nga, nag-start na yung tour namin sa Fazer experience. It was a very nice place. For the guided Fazer tour experience, meron po siyang bayad. Yung binayaran po namin was 25 euros. Tatlo na kami noon. Ako, si Anika and Nico. And meron na rin po yung kasamang free taste ng mga chocolates nila during the tour, as well as goodies that we can take home. Made of eggs. During the tour and exhibitions, we learned different things about Fazer. So, inintroduce nila dyan sa amin saan talaga nanggaling si Fazer and how it started. So, yung Fazer was founded by Karl Fazer in 1891. He was a French-Russian confectionery in central Helsinki. So, nagsimula talaga siya dito sa Finland. Nowadays, Fazer is one of the largest corporations in Finnish food industry. Napakarami nilang products na ginagawa, guys, galing sa chocolates, breads, milk, mga milk products, and they were able to employ over 6,000 people across Finland, Sweden, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, Denmark, Norway, and Poland. And yung mga product nila, guys, ina-export siya over 40 countries. Yung Fazer din yung isa sa mga company dito sa Finland na nangunguna na mag-innovate ng mga different kinds of food and food products. Example yung sa mga tinapay na dinadagdagan nila ng oats and make it more healthier. Yung mga ruis, may deron silang ginadagdag para maging balance talaga yung diet. Kahit pa yung sa tinapay mo palang kinakain, meron ka na talagang maraming nutrients na makukuha. Part sa tour is yung tropical garden nila, guys. Napakaganda kasi kahit dito sa malamig na lugar na to, may tumutubong ganitong tanim na pang tropical lang naman ito. This is so small. Ilang kakao dito, guys. Yeah, this is a coffee bean, Daddy. This is a coffee tree. And this is a citrona. It's a lime tree. It's a ginger. Guys, itong tropical garden nila na maliit lang guys, is warm siya kagaya dyan sa Philippines. Warm and moist. Di kagaya sa labas na weather. Sobrang malamig and sobrang dry. Pero dito sa loob, it's warm and moist. It's like in the Philippines.
Isa sa mga product ng Fazer guys is yung minion eggs nila na meron siyang laman na nougat sa loob. So yung itlog guys, tinanggal yung laman niya tapos pinalitan siya ng nougat. Yung structure na nakikita nyo ngayon guys, yan yung minion bunny. Ang taas niya is 3.2 meters tapos naku-covered siya ng 9,330 real eggshells. Totoong itlog talaga yan siya guys, pero yung laman niyan tinanggal. Ito talaga yung isa sa mga gusto ko dito sa Finland. Yung meron talagang interactive learning para sa mga bata as well as for us adults. So dyan nga guys, ine-explain niya kung ano talaga yung mga kailangan ng ating utak for us to be healthy. So kailangan natin ng motion, exercise, ng food, ng ano pa ba? Chismis. Wait ako guys. Ay, basta in-explain niya dyan guys kung ano yung mga kailangan natin sa pang-araw-araw for us to become functioning individual. So yan, meron na nga mga bola dyan that kids can also place inside that brain. So napaka-interactive talaga. So tinanong namin si Anika kung ano yung mas importante sa kanya. Sabi niya, ang importante daw sa kanya is food and sleep. Meron silang table dyan guys na may different kinds of blocks. Tapos each blocks corresponds to what we need in our body to be healthy. So merong vegetables, milk, water, basta iba't iba. About food siya guys. So ilalagay mo doon sa robot. Tapos i-analyze ng robot kung enough ba yung nutrients na nakukuha mo everyday. According doon sa food choices na nilagay mo of course doon sa tray. So nakakatuwa yan kasi pa ilang beses pabalik-balik si Anika kasi gusto niya talagang makuha yung perfect score.
Honey, is that good now? You can try to put it there on the robot and then you can press. Which robot you want? Is it this one or this one? And then press the button. Oh. Oh.
Okei, hyvä. Siinä ei ole juotavaa.
Siellä ei ole maitoa, Anika.
Proteiini.
Ja proteiini on vähän. Joo. But Anika has put so many good things. Yeah, there's I think... Niin?
No niin, sit se kertoo sulle.
Sä joot maitoa. Hyvä sä
Hienosti! Nyt on now it's 4 stars. Oh, there's no vegetables and protein. Not enough protein, not enough vegetables.
Tosin ne on ollut siinä kohta vuoden. Tällaista uutuustuote ruisrieska. Voi ottaa, olkaa hyvä. Siitä suolaista, jonka jälkeen siirrymme katsomaan
Onko hyvä? Is it good? It's sweet. It's good bread.
taidetta,
So, dyan naman is yung mga items na ginamit long time ago sa paggawa ng mga baked goods. So, yan yung mga lumang gamit nila, guys. Dyan, napaka-funny ng tawag niyan, yung tour guide, kasi nagpapatawa siya. Hindi ko mag-gets kasi finish yung joke niya, guys. Pero, nakakatawa naman. Okay lang. Iba talaga pag Pilipino nagpatawa. Pero nakakatuwa naman kasi talaga na meron pang mga ganyang items na na-save talaga and nalalagay siya for display. And yung sa generation natin ngayon, at least nakita namin na ganyan pala yung ginagamit nila sa pag-fill ng mga buns or ng mga donuts long time ago.
Vaikka se talo ei enää liity Fatserin millään tavalla. Mutta sitä on vielä ja meillä on teille tänään Dakappo. Vitsi kerran oli sellainen idea, että tehtäisiin sellainen versio Dakapposta, missä se rommii niin paljon.
Katso, se on pieni.
Niin.
So, dito naman is pinakita sa amin yung isang product na nagawa ng Fazer, which is yung Sulitol or Xylitol na maganda siya sa ipin. Dito sa Finland, after meal, yung mga bata sa school or sa mga paivakuti, binibigyan sila ng Xylitol or Sulitol. Maganda siya sa ipin, guys, and hindi siya nakakasira. It can protect the teeth and it tastes sweet. Kasali din pala sa tour yung free tasting ng mga products nila. So, dyan nga, tumikim kami nung black na candy tsaka yung color green na candy. And pinahulaan sa amin kung ano yung mga flavor na natikman namin. Actually, yung color black, it was apple sini or orange ang flavor. Tapos yung color green, it was hedelma or yung mga berries dito sa Finland. Napakasarap ng flavor, guys, and hindi siya masyadong matamis. For health and sanitary purposes, hindi kami allowed na pumasok talaga doon sa loob ng factory. However, meron naman silang ginawang mga exhibitions for us to witness paano talaga nila ginagawa yung mga products nila. Hindi naman available dito sa Finland talaga yung mga ibang ingredients kasi nga masyadong malamig itong lugar na to. So of course, they are sourcing most of the products abroad, and dyan sa globe na yan, pinapakita kung ano-ano yung mga products na nasusource nila bawat country, like yung palm oil sa Australia, example. Tapos yung mga fruits na mga flavor or yung mga tropical fruits na flavor, of course, sinusource yan sa Asia. There were also videos available na pwede mong makita kung paano talaga ginagawa yung mga products nila. And it was so interesting that they were able to make this kind of show for us kasi dito sa Finland, napaka-strict talaga ng policy nila sa health and sanitation. Kaya hindi talaga pwedeng ipakita yung sa loob ng factory. But thank goodness na meron naman silang ginawang mga videos for us to see paano talaga nila ginagawa. Also, there were computers na available for kids to play, and yung mga games na andyan, guys, is related pa rin doon sa Fazer. Kasali din sa tour package yung unlimited tasting ng mga different kinds of candies, chocolates, and products nila, guys. So, unlimited yan, pero hindi ka pwede mag-uwi kasi meron nga food bags na bibigay sa inyo kapag tapos na yung exhibition or yung tour nyo dyan. And napakasayang experience niyan kasi sobrang dami naming nakain and sumakit talaga yung ipin ko. Pero tuwang-tuwa kami, guys, kasi marami kaming natikman and marami din silang products talaga na kakaiba yung mga flavors.
Eat anything you want. Is that good? Ogsiva. Did you find Kismet, Anika? There's the Kismet. Wow! You can eat it. Anything? Wow. You give the Roski to mommy? Diba? Yeah. How does it taste? Is it good? Wala ano Roski tas. It's very sukari, no siya, Tana. Blood sugar will rise up.
Tässä on parempi, että se ei nouse stressistä.
Ah, yeah.
Fatser mint.
Is it yummy? Unlimited.
I like this one.
Anika is there, guys. I enjoyed din siya. Unlimited to. Harap. Anika, you want more? Want water? Sakit na akong ngipon, guys. Sabi ako daot ng ngipon. Taste pa tayo. Daming candies, guys. Pala man nagtikman, sobrang daming options. Tapos unlimited ito. Want to sawa. Pero na, ano, sumakit na yung aking ipin. Si Anika nabusog na rin. Itong dito, guys, hindi ka pwede mag-uwi ng chocolate. Kasi meron namang chocolate bags na ibibigay after ng tour. Ito yung food bags nila or package from Fatser. So, tatlo. Kasi tig-isa kami. Si Nico din meron. Diba? It's part ng binayaran mo dito kapag nagpunta ka dito sa Fatser. Tapos, paglabas mo, guys, pwede ka rin mag-shop dito ng extra for different kinds of candies na meron sila. Most of the candies dito sa Finland, guys, is gawa talaga siya ng Fatser. Ano nga yung pronunciation ko na Fatser talaga siya. Hindi siya Fazer. It's Karl Fatser. Kaya food bags, guys. Si Anika rin. Sabi niya, mabigat to yung bag niya. I think we can bring this to Philippines. We don't have this kind of chocolate or candy in Philippines. Turkish pepper. It's like hot and spicy Finnish way.
When I was a kid, I like to eat this a lot.
Really? But it's spicy, Daddy.
No, but you get used to it. If you like it, you eat it. näissä toista ei tykkää. Mä en tiedä. Niin, tosin niillä vihreitä kuulia.
This is the famous and only in Finland you can find this one. Yung totoong itlog talaga siya, guys. Tinanggal yung laman niya and pinalitan siya ng nougat. Hindi siya chocolate, it's a nougat. And this one, it's eggshell. They made a hole. Yeah. And they remove the egg from the inside. They make a hole and replace it with the nougat. And the egg itself is the one that they use for making the breads and some kind of products that they have. So nothing goes to waste. This is only found in Finland. This is very innovative. Fazer is really one of the biggest company or food company dito sa Finland, guys. Kasi marami silang products from candies, chocolates, biscuits, kahit bread meron sila. And napakaraming mga options. Pati din mga yogurt, smoothie, lahat sinakop na nila. Ito yung chocolate na ginagamit ko kapag gumagawa ako ng chocolate cakes. Different kinds of granola. And they also have options for gluten-free or yung gluteniton. Kasi dito sa Finland, maraming mga tao na nangangailangan ng gluten-free diet. You want to buy something? Which one? Shall we buy something? Have cakes.
Open the egg.
Yeah, so we'll buy one of this egg.
Whoa.
Ganda ng experience namin dito sa Fazer experience, guys. Fazer experience talaga siya. Tapos may mga goodies kami, mukan or take away namin. Napakasaya ng experience. You should really come here. Kapag andito kayo sa Finland, you should come and visit Fazer experience. Dami namin food bags. This is so heavy. I think there's a bread inside, chocolate and candies. And bumili lang kami nung isang egg nila na merong nougat sa loob. Yun lang ang binili namin doon. Napakasulit ng binayad namin. Bye-bye Fazer experience!